In this video, I'll show you how to automate contract renewals in Dubsado step by step. Step 1. Log into your Dubsado dashboard and head to the templates and then contract section. Create or update the renewal version of your contract. Step 2. Set up a workflow. Go to templates and then workflows and create a new automation specifically for contract renewals. Step 3. Add a trigger. Use a date-based trigger like X days before project end or before contract expiration to automatically send the renewal contract. Step 4. Attach the renewal contract. Add an action in your workflow that sends the new contract to your client by email with a friendly reminder. Step 5. Add follow-ups. If the client doesn't sign right away, set automatic reminders at intervals, for example 3 days and 7 days later. Step 6. Test your workflow. Run a trial project to confirm the contract sends correctly and reminders trigger as expected. Step 7. Track signed renewals. Dubsado will notify you once the contract is signed, keeping everything organized in your client portal. And that's it. With automation in Dubsado, you'll save time, reduce manual work, and make contract renewals seamless. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.